Hey, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove Oculus virtual audio device. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. When you connect and set up your Oculus Quest to your PC, you might have noticed that it creates some virtual audio devices under your headphones or even your microphone. So if you want to get rid of these, all that you have to do is go into the sound properties and you can either disable them altogether or make sure that they aren't being used as default, because if they are automatically set up as the default headphones and microphone, they might give you conflicts and they aren't going to produce any audio. So all that you have to do is open the control panel. In here, look for the sound option. If you do not see sound, make sure that you switch from category to large icons and then sound will become available here. When you choose this sound category, you will now have playback and recording. Recording refers to microphones and playback refers to your speakers or headphones. All that you have to do now is find the Oculus virtual audio device. If they are active and set as default, they will appear with this green check mark. But if you don't see a lot of things on this list, for example, if it's kind of like this, just right click anywhere and then select Show Disabled Devices and Show Disconnected Devices. Now you will be able to find your virtual audio device from Oculus, and all that you have to do is right click it and then disable. Once it is disabled like this, it is going to remain inactive and you don't have to worry about it. You don't need to delete it from this list, just make sure that it is disabled like this, so it's going to be grayed out and it won't be used. If you want to ensure that everything is okay and that your microphone and headphones are going to work, find the default ones that you are using. So for example, I have this DT900 Pro X, and just make sure that they are enabled and set as default. So if you see them as ready, just choose them as the default device. And by doing this with both the microphone and the headphones or speakers, you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove Oculus virtual audio device. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.